is Lucky the cockatiel. He sometimes likes to go in the shower. We're going to see if today is one of those days. Want to go in the shower today, Lucky? Oh, yeah. He's liking it today. And that's the noise of him sneezing the water out of his nose. Want to go under again? Little tail over there? Nah, he's had enough for today. That'll do. There you go.
That's the face of a happy bird.